As you remember, Cavok is also there to work with others. In this chapter, we will show you how to work with notes. Notes are a very handy tool for adding change requests and comments to images and documents. In practice, this function is often used to simplify communication between internal and external employees, and above all, to communicate clearly to avoid misunderstandings. Where are the notes located? You will find them in the detailed view. There, you can switch to the notes in this menu. Here, you can see several tools on the right side. The three tools on the left are used to draw graphical markers in an image or a document. You can add as many markers as you like. The symbol on the far right is used to attach written notes. If it is an image or document with several layers or pages, you can also scroll on the left as usual, and then add notes on several layers or pages. If you click on the floppy disk icon and save your changes, your notes will be recorded in the image along with a detailed history of who created a note and when. In the user list, you can see who created notes, and you can also show and hide notes for each user. Where are the notes not located? Notes are only located in Cavok. They do not appear in the often similar note functions of individual programs. This means, if you want an external editor to see your notes, it is best to give him limited access to your Cavok system so that you can work directly with him.